Hello! Welcome to Miki's kitchen. Today is the 153rd day. I'll show you how to make Japanese persimmon salad. A persimmon is good not only for sweet but also for salad. This fruit goes very well with mayonnaise, so you should try cooking different kind of salad as usual. Well, let's get started cooking. First, thinly slice a cucumber. Then, put cucumber in a bowl. And sprinkle a little salt. And let stand for about 5 minutes to remove the water of the cucumber. Next, peel persimmon and slice it. Like this. Okay. Then wash and squeeze the cucumber. Then add persimmon in the bowl. Then add mayonnaise in it as much as you like. Like this. And mix well. Okay, that's it. Now serve them on a plate. Well, it's time to eat. いただきます。It's so delicious. Persimmon is good for the salad. You should try it. Well, tomorrow I'll use another kind of autumn food. So see you tomorrow.